Alright, so to calculate a least squares regression line given this information, we're just going to use these formulas up here, and I'm just going to substitute in what they gave me. So to find the slope, we're going to take the correlation, which is 0.994. We're going to multiply that by the quotient of the standard deviations. And it's just the way I remember this formula is, you remember from algebra, we use the change in y over the change in x to find the slope with a linear equation. Well, that's the same thing that's going on here, where they told us standard deviation of the y over the standard deviation of the x. So it's y over x again. So let's see, standard deviation of y is 15.89 divided by the standard deviation of the x's, which is 13.2. And then you just throw all that in your calculator. And you're going to get it. And my calculator show me 1.197. I guess we're around 3 decimal places as they want. Now to get the y-intercept, we take. Basically, what you're doing is it's like if you've ever done back in algebra, you might have had a teacher that showed you how to do. If I know y equals mx plus b. If you know the slope and a point, you can then find b, and that's what we're doing here. Basically, if you were to solve y minus mx equals b, that's all this formula is right here. Okay, and I know they're using slightly different variables, but it's the same math. So we're going to do. Let's see. So we're going to do the mean of the y's is 66 minus the slope. And if your slope is negative, you change it to a positive, negative, negative, times the mean of the x's, which is 58.2. And then you just throw that in your calculator. And that's giving me negative 3.665. 2 decimal places, so negative 3.67. Okay? Now this is the same. These problems are the same. I don't know if you've made this connection yet, but these odd exercises in Stats Portal, or these exercises in Stats Portal, are the odd exercises out of the textbook. And this problem is actually on page 360. This is number 35, 15.35. Okay, so hope that helps.